Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix unable to create EFI partition no usable extent could be found error. Create part EFI size equal to 1024. No usable free extent could be found. It may be that there is insufficient free space to create a partition at the specified size and offset. If any error, select primary partition. Type shrink desired equal to 1024. Create part EFI size equal to 1024. Type format FS equal to FAT32 quick. Type assign letter equal to P. Find Windows installation drive letter. In my case, Windows installation drive letter is C. Type bcd boot space, C colon / Windows space, /sspce, assigned drive letter colon space, /f space, UEFI. Exit and start Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.